Hi guys! So today we're going makeup free kasi I'm gonna be explaining my whole skincare routine to you. So with skincare, remember that what works for me might not work for you and same otherwise. For today, I'm gonna be explaining in depth each step sa skincare routine ko. So kung ano yung uses nila, what products I use, and how I apply it. So if you're interested, please don't forget to subscribe and follow all my social media channels, and please also give this video a thumbs up. And now, let's proceed to the video. So number 1 is cleanser. So syempre, naghugas na ako ng mukha kanina. What I used is the Moly Moisture Cleansing Foam. I use this one if especially dry yung face ko, like today. And then when I'm wearing makeup, I make sure to double cleanse. So first I go in with micellar water. I use the Garnier one for sensitive skin. So tatanggalin ko yung makeup with it, and then I go ahead to cleanser. So another cleanser I use if okay naman yung skin ko is the Neutrogena Hydroboost. So you can see it's still hydration based because as I've said in my other videos, my skin is more dry than, it's leaning dry, not even normal. So normal dry but more dry, kung nagigets nyo yun. So next is I exfoliate but only twice or thrice a week. So for exfoliation, there's actually two kinds, chemical and physical. What I use usually is the chemical exfoliators. So this is the COSRX AHA7 Whitehead Power Liquid. The main difference between physical and chemical exfoliation is yung isa, physical. So these are scrubs. The negative side to it is it can cause micro tears. So it could be too harsh for your skin. So you have to be very careful. With physical scrubs, if you need immediate results, if kunyari may mga dry patches ka, may event ka, need mo na matanggal siya agad, this is the way to go. But with chemical exfoliators, you use it for a long time for long-term results also. So I am not acne prone, so ito yung ginagamit ko. But for my acne prone friends out there, you can use the Blackhead something, like COSRX Blackhead something. I can leave it here or here, I don't know. So how I apply it is I put 2 pumps sa cotton pad, and then I just dab it sa my nose kasi dyan yung parang mas maraming pores and I want it to be exfoliated, pores and whiteheads. And then I just rub it sa whole face ko. And down to my neck also. And then I get my handy fan and fan myself. And help it absorb lang. Kasi when layering products, remember that you have to have the products, the first product absorbed first before applying the next product. Next up is toner. So yung toner, di ba when naghuhugas tayo ng mukha after, parang ang dry ng face natin. This one, it brings back parang the elasticity of the skin. So I use the Loreal Revitalift Power Water. I find that this helps replump my skin and also helps in minimizing the pores. And aside from that, meron tong anti-aging properties. And what's good also is mabilis siyang ma-absorb ng skin. So I just apply this with my hands. So next we have is Ampoule. Hindi ko sure kung paano sabihin pero yon. So ampules, they are serums with higher concentrations of active ingredients. So depending sa needs mo, there will be different kinds of it. So for me, I use yung COSRX Hyaluronic something. So I don't have it with me now kasi kakapa-deliver ko lang and hindi pa nadadala ng Shopee. But I will put it here kung ano man siya. And everything will be linked down below kung saan ko pinagbibili yung mga stuff. Since it's very concentrated, it's only recommended to be used once a week. So, for me, I do it every Sunday para hindi ko makalimutan. But, if you have an event or if especially dry yung face mo, you can use it for 1 week straight or a few days straight para lang ma-solve kung ano man yung kailangan mo i-solve. Next is essences. So, for essence, I use the COSRX Advanced Snail Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Whew. This one, what it does well for me is it helps my skin remain hydrated throughout the day. Plus, it also helps with skin elasticity and redness. So, perfect siya pag may pimples, pag may dry patches, dry pimples. So, I just put it with my hands again and then 1.5 pump lang. It's enough. So, step number 5 is eye cream. Eye cream. For eye cream, I find it very important, lalo na pag naglalagay ako ng makeup, kasi it helps prevent cakiness under the eye. So that was my problem before. Hindi ko ma-figure out kung paano mawala yung cakiness pag naglalagay ng concealer. And then I started using eye creams and it worked. For eye cream, I use Nature Republic Collagen Dream Eye Cream. Then I just use my fingers. Then eye creams, it also helps in preventing wrinkles. So, syempre tumatanda na tayo, we have to prevent aging as much as we can. Moisturizer. So, I also use the Nature Republic Collagen Dream Moisturizer. So, collagen, it also helps with skin elasticity and is a really good anti-aging property. So, again, prevention is better than cure. So, what's really good about this moisturizer is it's water-based. So, easily absorb siya and hindi siya greasy at all. Plus, it helps give me a smooth, plump texture, which is perfect for under makeup. Don't forget the neck. Pag tumatanda, you can really see it sa neck area. Kaya nga, di ba sinasabi nila, when you put on products, kailangan lagi pataas. Defy gravity. So as you can see sa title, sinabi ko na I'll be explaining both my day and night routines. Basically, lahat ng na-explain ko, I do that both for day and night. So the difference is in these steps lang. So for day muna tayo. I use sunscreen after. So I have two that I use palitan. So one is the Gowoori na sunscreen. This one I use mostly if I'll be putting on makeup after. And then, ito, binili ko lang sa Nature Republic when I saw it. So, para siyang deodorant that you, ganon, parang deodorant. So, I use this dati when I go to the gym. Kasi naglalakad ako papunta sa gym. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Kasi, mas less parang sunblocky siya. Kasi, di ba, pag naka-sunblock, medyo parang greasy yung feeling. So, I won't be putting sunscreen today. Though you should always put sunscreen kahit nasa bahay lang kayo. Okay? I use a lip balm with SPF 15. So, let's apply. Lalagay mo lang. So, if hindi nyo alam, umiitim din po yung lips natin. It's better to use sunscreen also for your lips para hindi mangitim. And it's hydrating. For night, I have an oil that I pat on my face. So, I put about 2 drops and then spread it evenly and then I just pat it on my face. So what I have is the Nature Republic Argan Real Nature Oil. What it does is, it locks in the moisture kasi syempre pag matutulog ka, malamig, may aircon, it can cause na mawala yung moisture sa face. So I find that putting oil on top, it helps to prevent that. So, yun na yung skincare ko. Yun na pala yun. So, meron lang ako mga extra things na idadagdag. So, di ba kanina, sinabi ko na there are 2 kinds of exfoliants, the physical and the chemical. And then, for the physical, ginagamit ko siya pagka kunyari, kailangan ko ng immediate solution sa mga dry patches, ganyan. So, di ba, with this one, St. Ives, mura lang to sobra. So, I use it very rarely pag kailangan lang. But, I have a routine that I follow pagka ginagawa ko to. So, I get a tiny amount. And then I rub it, parang naghugas ng face. So water, and then rub, and then hugas ng mukha. And then after that, I go in with the same toner, and then go in with face mask. So this one, I have different kinds. So depende na lang yan kung ano yung feeling ko kailangan ko, kung ano yung nakasulat. I do it for 15 minutes, and then remove. And then yun. And also remember na never ever use physical exfoliators with chemical exfoliators. It's gonna be too harsh for your skin. So, imbis na maayos yung skin mo, baka mag-cause pa ng breakouts. And also for physical exfoliators, recommended na you use it maximum of once a week only, or kung may special occasions lang, or if needed na needed talaga. Okay? So there, that's my whole daytime and nighttime skincare routine. So I hope na meron kayong natutunan kahit papano, or meron kayong mga products na baka nagustuhan nyo. So everything's linked down below. If you are interested to watch more content from me, please do subscribe and follow all my social media channels. I hope you're all safe, and yun. So I'll see you next week. Bye!